Hi, it's Professor Bernie with a look at Chapter 3, Production Design. This is probably one of the film techniques that many viewers would be aware of in terms of, say, costumes and set design. And they would be right, except that production design includes not only these two techniques, but so much more, namely mats, miniatures, props, and even locations. For the most part, production design involves anything and everything that deals with the tactile or physical component of what we see on the screen. In other words, if we think we can touch it, then it's production design. So when we encounter the props in Mad Max Fury Road, or the costumes in Gone with the Wind, or the sets and mats used in Alien, what we're actually experiencing is the physical context of that movie, and being required to judge its appropriateness in relation to that shot or scene. In Mad Max Fury Road, for example, the vehicles do function as props, which are used as tangible means of transportation for the villain characters ruling this dystopia. However, the fact that these trucks are oversized suggests the larger-than-life quality of these characters, and the fact that their features are exaggerated, i.e. bizarrely shaped car bodies, conveys a sense of the distorted qualities of this evil empire. So in this instance, the use of unusual props projects as a subtext that underscores the already outlandish features of the characters themselves. Therefore, as with the other film techniques from chapters 1 to 6, production design also serves a persuasive function, as it usually highlights or reflects whatever is going on in terms of the characters, dialogue, or action, to reinforce their meaning. Looking at the use of costumes is another example to show this. A discussion in Chapter 3 deals with Mrs. Robinson's clothing in the movie The Graduate. It suggests that the jungle motif of what she wears, leopard or zebra patterns, conveys an idea of the predatory nature of an older, sophisticated woman as being on the prowl in her pursuit of the younger, naive character of Benjamin Braddock. Let's just remember, though, that costume design, props, or any other production design aspect could also be used in an ironic context as well, to highlight the contrast between characters and technique, for instance. This can be seen in the exaggerated sets of the Land of Oz in the movie The Wizard of Oz, where they create a juxtaposition between the richness of Dorothy's dream experience with the overall plain look of Dorothy herself, and, by extension, her real world. So whichever way we comprehend the use of any production design technique, the main point is clear, that each is used by filmmakers to create the physical space of the characters we encounter in any given movie. Its importance, then, is that production design is filmmakers' primary means of placing us, their audience, in the actual world of their movie.